Hello and welcome to my course on making paint or drawing application in Tkinter with Python. My name is Rohit and I'll be your instructor for this course. In this course, we will just try to make drawing or paint application with Tkinter. So let me just quickly show you how our app would look like and what are the functions it has. So this is the application that we will be able to build at the end of this course. So here we have different shapes like line, rectangle and a circle. So if you see here, if I click here line, here the instructions are written, and here we have a couple of options to set any properties. So let's say this is a blank canvas here and we don't have any color. So if you want to set any color to a canvas, you can simply click on this guy, and from here you would have one pop-up. In that you can choose any color. So let's say I'd be choosing this color and I will press OK. So you can see that the background color is changed, and from this button you can choose a brush color. So let's say brush color I would choose to this guy, and now here with the mouse I can simply draw any drawing that I want. So let's say if I want to change the brush thickness to a little bit more, I can simply do it by this. And after that, if you want to change the brush type to, let's say, rounded, it will be like this. If you change the brush type to projecting, it would be like that. At any point, if you want to simply clear the thing, you can simply click on this clear button, so the entire thing would be clear. So here I would quickly choose one canvas color. So this would be my canvas color, and now I will try to draw some shapes. So I would click on line, and here I would just say 10, 10, 100 and 100. So here I would draw one line here. After that, let's say I want to draw some rectangle, so I can simply click on this guy, and here I can say 200, 200 and 400 and 350. So if I click on draw, here I can create one rectangle like this. And let's say if I want to draw a circle, so simply from here I can select one circle and I can say here 100, 100, 200 and 200. And now if I click on draw, it would draw a circle here. So these are fine, we have shapes, but can I put color into that? Sure, we can do that. So in that case, first we need to change a brush color. So let's say brush color would be pink, and now I want to have this line as pink, so I will click on this guy. After that, let's say I want to choose some other color to this circle. I can simply click on this button and I would select this color and will click on here. So I can see the circle color is blue now. If I want to set any color to this rectangle, I can simply click on this guy and can select any other color and simply click on this guy. And we can also put any color that we want as many number of times. That means if I want to again change the color, I can simply change the color and can simply put it here. And also we have a facility to delete the shape, so let's simply click on undo shape. So this shape would be deleted, and again if I click here, the shape would be deleted, and this is the third shape that would be deleted. So I can see the shape is deleted. Now let's just try to say we have added this much drawing and we don't want to clear everything, but we just want to clear only some part of it. So in that case, we have eraser also. So simply you can delete this guy like this. At any time, let's say you have added this rectangle, and let me just say I have added one color to this guy. This would be a blue color, and if I want to save this guy's image, I can simply click on this guy. So now the image would be saved. So here I can see I have result.png, and if I double click on it, here I have the image that I have saved. So this application has almost all the features. You are going to learn all of this inside this course. So to learn it, enroll now, and we'll see you inside the course.